Hey guys, this is Derek Wolf with Over the Fire Cooking. I'm hanging out with Spiceology. 3 years in the making, my brand new beer cans. So Big Bad Barbecue Ale is a traditional all-purpose blend. The cool thing about this rub though is that because it's all-purpose, it kind of changes with what you cook. When we cook beef, it takes on a peppery flavor. When we cook chicken, the chilies come out. And then when you cook pork, you really do get those sweet notes. It molds to what you're cooking. But if you're looking for a classic barbecue flavor, we're gonna go with that blend. The thing about this rub is that it can go on your big cuts of meat, but it can really go on your nightly, just everyday meals. If you don't want to think too much about what you're adding onto your food, this should be the go-to rub. The pairing of the ale tends to have a little bit more hoppiness, a little bit more bitter, tends to pair really well with your sweet flavors. That's why I kind of went for an ale pairing in the Big Bad Barbecue.